Mayorkun, featured by Lil Kesh, have the song Nkan Be. I like the song, I like the beat, I like the rhythm, and of course I like the lyrics to an extent. Well, I'll tell you what exactly I like about the lyrics. And because of the lyrics particularly, I decided to make this video to talk about ambiguity in Yoruba language. Of course, you know, English also has their ambiguous words, sentences, and expressions, and so on. In Yoruba as well, we have a number of them. So this video is going to be talking about àwọn ambiguous words or expressions. Ẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí gbàgede Tana dùn. Orúkọ mi ni Tana. Èmi sì lolùkọ́ yín lórí gbàgede yìí. Ibi ni a ti ń kọ́ èdè Yorùbá, tí a sì ti ń kọ́ nípa ẹ̀yà Yorùbá lápapọ̀. Ó yá, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀nà. But first of all, I need to play a bit of this Lil Kesh featuring Mayorkun, Nkan Be for you. Just, you know, catch a bit of the vibe. A bit of the vibe that I've been catching with the song.
Nkan Be. I be the thing say I don't see the work. I think say I have seen it all, but when I see you, I don't say Nkan Be.
Okay. Groove over, yeah. And if you listen to that song, you must have heard him saying Nkan Be, Nkan Be, Nkan Be. Now, Nkan Be means that something is happening. Nkan Be literally is there is something. But now you can use that in two different ways. Nkan Be can be simple and plain that, oh, there's something is happening. On the other hand, it can mean something deeper, serious, to mean that since they happen, nkan shele man. Yeah, that kind of thing. So it can be straightforward, simple, plain, just literal like that, like there's something Nkan Be, there's something there. And then Nkan Be, that's you showing deep feeling of wow, things are happening. And this brings me to a popular show that we used to watch when I was a kid. Some of you may remember Kola Olawoyi, who used to host Nkan Be on TV. That Nkan Be used to be scary sometimes because we saw all these gory, horrible stories and videos of terrible things that people were doing at the time. So that kind of Nkan Be is like more serious things they happen, and then there's Nkan Be that just simply says there is something, you know. So you can either be simple, plain and positive, straightforward, or it can be metaphorical, trying to say that deep stuff are happening. Yeah. So that's the difference between Nkan Be and Nkan Be. Well, they're said the same way, just that the meanings can be a little bit different.
When I don't stop to the heart, you say it's all my fault. When I see you, I know say Nkan Be. Nkan Be lábẹ́ ọ̀run, Nkan Be.
Let's take another example of an ambiguous word is owori. Owori on one hand means dowry. That is the money a man pays when he wants to marry his bride. Owori can also mean tax that we pay as citizens of a country. So owori can either be dowry or bride price, as the case may be, and it can also mean tax. Owori no shinya omejeji. This example used to be funny, and the example is omonile. Omonile on one hand means the child of the owner of the house or the landlord's child. Another omonile also means wall gecko. I'm sure you know what wall gecko is. You can see it on your screen. That's a wall gecko. So Monyele can either be a person, a human being, the child of the owner of a house, or it can be a reptile, a wall gecko. So there's another example. Now you let me know what other examples come to mind. We have quite a number of them. Share with me the examples that you remember or that you can think of. Udabo.